In this video, we're going to take a look at how you can create calendar events. So I'm going to go back to today, and let's say later on today I want to have a meeting. I can click anywhere on the screen to make that happen. So I'm going to click it right at 1 o'clock here, and a pop-up button will come up. Now I can create right from this spot by clicking in sample event. It shows right away 1 to 2. I can put this as an event. I can say it's out of office. I can set it as a task, as a reminder, or I can set up appointment slots. Below the event gives the time. If I want to change that, let's say I only want it from 1 to 1:30, I can click on the 2 o'clock and I can shrink that down to be just a half an hour. Or I can say this is going to be all day or change the time zone. Let's say I have a recurring meeting every Thursday at 1 o'clock. I can click on the repeat button and choose when I want that to actually appear. If I'm inviting more than one person, I can click find a time. And again, if you have joined calendars or you're able to share calendars, you'll be able to see your other people's calendars. Under add guests, I can click on add guests and I can I'll put in mine. You can put in somebody else as as somebody who's coming. And then what I can do is click on join with Google Meet to be able to have a Google Meeting one. It automatically puts that in for me and gets it ready. If I don't need it, I can click the X and I can make that go away. But I can click on add if I decide I do want to have a Google Meet section here. Below that, let's say you're not doing it in Google Meet, but you're actually doing this in person. You can add in a location. In add description or attachments, I can add in information by typing it in. Let's meet to discuss dot dot dot. I can even link in the agenda if I'd like to put that or add an attachment from my computer. Below that, I'm going to be able to see how it's going to look on my calendar. It's going to show that I'm busy. Default visibility, which means anyone who has access to my calendar can see it. And I'm going to get a notification 10 minutes before. Now, below that, before I even click save, I have this option for more options. If I click on that, it's going to open up this event to really give me a bigger, broader view. Everything we just did is still there. The calendar, time, and dates is at the top. I can still change the repeat. I have all the event details. I can put in the Google Meet, or I have a Google Meet link rather. I can add a location. I can set up notifications. So maybe I want one 10 minutes before, and then I want another notification 5 minutes before. I can do that. By my name, I can click the event color and change it to whatever color I'd like it to be. I can put it in as busy. If this is a private meeting, I can click it as public or private and change the visibility. And again, I have this box to add in information. I can add in attachments or links. On the right, I have the people that were invited, and then I can decide on guest permissions. Can they modify the event? Can they invite others, or can they see the guest list? When I'm done, I click save, and it's going to say, do you want me to send this invite to the person that you've invited to it? So I'm going to click on send. It says they're outside of your organization. Is that okay? That's typical if you're doing an email that's outside of your organization. Here I'm going to click insert. Now this event shows up on my calendar. All right, that's it for this video. I would like you to take some time if you can and set up a sample appointment to practice using those skills.